Barney, I heard you were falling asleep in church this past Sunday morning.
Well, it wasn't my fault. Andy had me out until 4 o'clock in the morning, the night before, on a chicken stakeout. We got a tip that those chickens has been stealing a few fryers from Al's toll-free headquarters.
Did you catch him in the act?
No, he didn't come by.
Well, I wouldn't put it past Buzz Jenkins. That guy's a thief. He used to steal my morning newspaper from my front steps before I get up. My neighbor said he saw him do it a couple times.
I think he doesn't do it anymore. Now that he knows you got a Ring Video Doorbell camera installed.
No, he doesn't. I put a stop to that.